Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you USDN analysis from a multi-time frame perspective. Here we have USDN, and from the chart, on the daily chart, we can see that the price reached a new higher high near to 161.76, and on July 11, 2024, some months ago, the price created the bearish wave, and as you can see that from this point here, the price began the bearish wave. However, the bottom of this bigger bearish wave was reached on September 16th, 139.57, and the price began another bullish movement again. The bullish movement that we see on the chart was created because of the divergences that the US and the Bank of Japan already have between each others. The Bank of Japan increase the interest rates, but on the other hand they have the problem with the bond buy process, so they are not buying too much currencies from the market, and this is a strong reason why yen is very cheap for the moment. Seen only in this perspective, it looks like we have a bigger correction in this point and the second one that is taking place, so it looks like that USDN may rise further. Also, Trump's victory is still holding the price under control. USD is still strong across the currency board, and this is raising the chances for a bigger bullish wave. However, we have to be careful because the price is already slowing down here. If I'm going to move on a lower time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, what we can clearly see is that probably we are in this wave. So it can be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are near to the end of the 5th wave. So this is what I'm looking at for USDN. We have to be careful because the 5th wave can be a short wave or it can also extend. Everything depends from the market conditions and the Bank of Japan monetary policy statement. I don't think that they will make any changes so far, considering that they didn't increase the interest rates on the last meeting. That was during the previous weeks, so I don't expect anything at all. The market is still accumulating, as you can see, and it looks like a type of megaphone pattern, and the chances are that it may rise further from this area. However, the market may also speculate how the Trump's victory may impact the US economy, so this may create some strength again on USD. So this is what I'm looking at. The target is a small target, so it's not too far away. It's approximately 170 pips. I'm looking at for this structure here and another one at 157.60. So this is for the moment, but I wouldn't be surprised if USDN moves up to the top as well. So let's see what is going to happen from this perspective. This is the first movements, and if the price develops more, probably it can begin a bearish movement, but I'm not expecting that movement happening anytime soon. So let's see how the price will develop during this week. This is an analysis that I posted several times. For the first time, when it was near to the bottom, it was posted on September 9. As you can see from this area, the price reacted well and reached both targets. And also the second update that was made on October 7th, so 1 month ago, we may see that the price performed very well, and also the third target was reached near to 104.2. Here we have the price, and we can see this strong bullish candle, and I'm going to explain what may how the dollar index may develop until this bullish move, after this bullish movement. So the bullish movement was created from Trump's victory this time. During all this month, the USD strength was supported a lot by the assumptions that Donald Trump was going to win the elections. On the 4th hour, we have only one big candle because it was a very quick movement. But if we are going to look at on a lower time frame, we can observe that the price just broke out from this bullish pattern here. So it looks very interesting, all of this accumulation. It was a bit complex because it was showing both bearish and bullish scenarios yesterday, but today, after the good news for Trump, the price is pointing up. So this is a clear indication that the US dollar may become stronger. For the moment, it is taking a pause. However, don't forget that we have also the opening of the US market, and the volume will grow significantly in that moment. So far, we have only the London market volume. It is still too low in my opinion and is waiting for the US market, but after that we may see the price rising further in an aggressive way or probably slowly. However, this is the first accumulation, and if we are going to look at on the past, we can see that since the end of September 30, the price didn't stop, it moved up very slowly without any significant correction, and this was the first one that was really big. If we are going to look at on the left side of the structure, we can observe the same thing. Price accumulated, and later we have the bearish movements. We can see another accumulation again, how the price created here, and we had other moves. So this time this was the only big accumulation we didn't have during this wave up. It was this wave here. This is the first accumulation, and this is rising the chances that the dollar index may rise further. So in this way, if the dollar index will continue to rise up to the top of the bigger pattern, this will increase the chances for the dollar index, for USD to become stronger during the coming days. However, we have to be careful when the price will be near to the top of this area here, because it is going to face a very strong resistance and probably the news will be absorbed completely here. However, we have a dense structure zone, that is why we have to be careful. If one of them will be broken, the price will test the second one and the third one. So the maximum that I'm looking at for the moment is going to be the top of the old structure. So this is going to be the maximum as I see with the current data. However, the first target is going to be very, very strong as long as the price already is taking a pause. So let's see what is going to happen. This is the current picture that we have now. One bullish flag, and the price is pointing up again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.